Hey everyone! Welcome back to Curvy Nylons, your go-to spot for the latest on fashion, trends, and icons. Today we're taking a deep dive into the fascinating life of Alexa Anders. Alexa Anders grew up in a world of creativity and ambition. However, her early years weren't all glitz and glamour. She faced numerous challenges, from personal struggles to career rejections. But her resilience never wavered. Alexa's passion for fashion became her escape, and she poured her heart into perfecting her craft. Her breakthrough moment came when she made a dazzling debut in the fashion world, captivating audiences with her charisma and unique style. From that moment on, there was no turning back. She quickly became the talk of the industry, gaining recognition for her fierce presence and trend-setting looks. She has collaborated with major fashion brands and designers, consistently pushing boundaries and redefining beauty standards. Her love for high heels in particular has influenced global trends, making her one of the most sought-after icons in the industry. She isn't just a model, she's a trendsetter, a visionary, and a true force in fashion. Alexa's talents extend far beyond fashion. She has seamlessly transitioned into acting and music, proving that she is more than just a pretty face. Her roles in various films and TV shows have showcased her versatility as an actress, while her music career has allowed her to express herself in a new and dynamic way. Beyond entertainment, Alexa has ventured into business, launching her own fashion line and collaborating with top-tier brands. With her multiple streams of income, including endorsements, brand deals, and entrepreneurial ventures, she has built a net worth of approximately $2.5 million as of 2024. And with her ever-growing influence, that number is only expected to rise. Despite her busy lifestyle, Alexa prioritizes self-care and balance. She finds solace in traveling, often jet-setting to breathtaking destinations around the world. Yoga helps her maintain both physical and mental well-being, while photography allows her to capture the beauty around her. Her social media is a mix of high-fashion editorials and raw, personal moments, giving fans a glimpse into both the glamorous and grounded sides of her life. Alexa proves that success is not just about hard work, but also about finding joy in the little things. And that's the incredible story of Alexa Anders. From her humble beginnings to becoming a global icon, she continues to inspire us with her talent, style, and authenticity. Which part of her journey do you admire the most? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell for more deep dives into your favorite icons. See you next time.